Hey, it's Denise DT here answering your launch questions, and this one comes from Monica, and she asks about how do you build excitement in a launch? Like, do you build anticipation? Do you drop an early bird? And I love this question because yes, there is an art to launching, because it's like if we just said, hey, buy my stuff. Hey, do you want to buy my stuff? Hey, do you want to buy my stuff? Hey, do you want to buy my stuff? It just does not work. It does not land with people. You really do have to take people through a journey. And you might have seen people do launches where they have like a free 5-day challenge or a 3 video series or like some sort of, free group or something like that. All of that is about taking people through a transformation, giving them a taste of what you do. Also, sometimes it's about making people aware of the problem, giving them some solutions, giving them some community, giving them a taste of what you do. And then so when you actually do have something to sell at the end, people are primed to buy. It also builds momentum for your next launch. And sometimes people are a bit surprised about this because, of course, you want everyone to buy. Not everyone's going to, but sometimes people really take what you've taught them in the pre-launch is what it's called series, and they go and implement it. So then next time when you launch, they're ready to buy. They know